Guys, yeah, this is my G Blackbird that I've been working on for some time now. So the problem I'm gonna be trying to solve today is that I have this engine. This is about 150cc bike engine. So you can see I mounted a turbocharger on it, although the engine is not designed to have a go with a turbocharger. It's just because based on what I'm using it for, I'm trying to increase the power of the engine, to increase the power and the RPM. So what I'll be doing today is that although I've been looking for a like a 10 bolt, because there's most of these top cylinder that they normally have a kind of hose that comes out from there. So I went to the market to search for one that had the hose, but I was unable to see. So the idea I'm going to use now, here now you can see a bolt here. This bolt here is what they normally use to check whether the engine is the oil pump of the engine is working. Let me lose the bolt so that you can see it. So this here, if the engine is actually steaming and you lose this place now, if the oil pump of the engine is working, you will see that the oil will start coming out of this place. So that is the place where they normally check whether the oil pump is working. So but what I'll be doing today is that I'll be from this old place that they normally check whether the oil pump is working now, I'll be adding a kind of bolt, like I think I got it from a bike this thing. I think it's a bike throttle. So I'll be adding it here. It has a hole inside. So from here, this turbo charger here now has this bolt that you can see here. This bolt now is actually for oil lubrication. That for you to lubricate the two fan that is inside the turbocharger. So what I'll be doing now is that I'll be getting the hose now. I'll be showing you how I do the job, because if I say let me keep the throttle cable, it may get lost, because I find it so difficult to get that particular one. So I'll be getting it to mount it now. So stay with me, guys. Stay with us. Okay, guys. So this is actually what I got for this thing. This is actually for a throttle cable. So what I'm going to be taking out from there is this now. As you can see now, this is actually 10 this thing, but it actually has a hole inside. So from there, I can look for a way to connect another hose that will be coming into this now. That it should be connected into this. So let me see how it goes now. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be cutting off this now. I'll be cutting off this cable because I don't need this cable. So guys, I've taken it off now, as you can see. So let me see if this idea is gonna work. Let me use the boat first so that I can have more space to do the job. Okay. Wow, I got it, guys. It worked very well. Okay, you have to station all like this. Okay. Wow. So you can see now I'm going to be connecting the hose for this one, and it's going to move from here to this. So let me get the hose for the turbocharger. So guys, this is actually the hose for the turbocharger now. So I'll be fixing it here now. So this is what I'm gonna have. So right now we'll be joining this one now with this, connecting this with this. So I'll be welding this now, this hose together with this hose now. Two of them I'll be joining the both together. So and right now it's gonna be having a return. I think the return hose come from here. So the return now I'm gonna be connecting the return hose to where they normally put the oil, which is here. So let me show you guys. Okay guys, this is actually the hose for the turbocharger now, the one that goes into the turbocharger. So the oil will be coming from the top of this this cover, this cylinder cover. It will be going there from this 10 this in the actual fix here. So you'll be flowing there into this main hose now. So I'll be looking for you to join the both of them together. So for the return of this turbocharger now, I think this hose is actually for the return of the oil. So the oil now, I'll make sure that I'll be connecting it with this. So I'm going to be removing this place that they normally put oil in a bike. I'm going to look for something that had the same screw with with this, that also have a hole inside, that I can join this hose with that. So whenever the oil is enough, that the one that's inside the turbocharger is enough, it will automatically go into the engine through this hole, through this space. So guys, I just love the inspiration that I'm getting. I really don't know where this whole idea is coming from, but I know that the Almighty God is always with me. So guys, thank you so much.